Okay. Hello and welcome to a new video, and today I'm at Rugby. That was 390-020 working a service to Birmingham New Street from London Euston. Today I'm at Thank you. Points. Today I am at Rugby on the West Coast Main Line, where we've been seeing services from Avanti West Coast, London North Western Railway, it won't be that much, and some freight.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 11:34 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Call at Milton Keynes Central and London Euston. This train is formed of 11 coaches. There is a planned closure on the Waterloo and City line. There are part closures on the District and Piccadilly lines and Docklands Light Railway. There is currently a good service operating on all other lines.
Thank you. Anyways, here is, well, in any second now will be an Avanti West Coast service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston.
This train is formed of 11 coaches.
Okay, please stop. Anyways, over there is 86259 parked up in the sidings. And any second now will be a Pendolino arriving, doing an Avanti West Coast service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. I can hear it. And here it is, if you can see. And it's 390-119 in its Pride livery. The washing and go. Okay. Are you done now, or what can that be? What can that be? I don't see anything for now apart from 390-119. I will keep my head out for anything passing on platform 1. Okay, now 390-119 is departing to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. Oh, okay. The thing passing on platform 1 is a Pendolino doing a service from London Euston to Edinburgh Waverley, if you can see. Now I don't know if it's I'm really, and here it is. Thank you for that 2-turn from the driver. Anyways, 390-112 is the one for the one that's passing on platform 1. Progress is the nameplate for that. Next calling point will be Milton Keynes Central. Okay, passing through now is a is a Pendolino going from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. (390,132). Okay, passing through now are some 730s doing a service from Northampton EMD to Crewe CS. Doing ECS, I guess. Well, it was weird. Now, I think they're stopping here because they're slowing down. I'm not 100% sure, but I think they are. 730, 214s on the front. Thank you for that depot whistle from the driver. And on the rear is 73213. Oh gosh. Oh goodness. Okay, arriving in now are some 730s doing a London North Western Railway service from Birmingham New Street to London Euston.
Platform 1 for the 11:47 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly.
Excuse that for
Ordered Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 11 coaches.
The front of that is 732 23. Oh. Here is 43274. And 43321, and I bring your attention over here to find 390,117. Blue Peter is the nameplate. Those 43s are waiting for the pair of 730s to depart to... Oh no, in fact they are going. We have a trio. And on the rear of this is 730-207, and over here we will find a Naviro going from Chester to London Euston passing. Pair of them. (805-006 and 008), and down there are the 43s doing a service from Derby RTC Network. Thank you. Doing a service from Derby RTC Network Rail to Rugby Depot Access Line. And as 390-117 departs to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston, this 390 coming in from Glasgow Central to London Euston passes. 390 154. Okay, in all honesty, I really do not know what this is doing. I'm gonna guess it's doing a service from Daventry to Wentlog, 66 430. Full and standing. Again, I really do not know what this is doing. I really do not know. Okay, the next train to arrive is an Avira doing an Avanti West Coast service from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Lovely. Okay, this 807 is now departing to London Euston from Liverpool Lime Street. 807 001.
London North Western Railway apologises for the disruption to your journey today. For customers travelling to Birmingham New Street, your next direct London North.
Okay, passing through now is a 807 doing a service from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. (807 008).
Please stand well clear of the edge. Platform 4.
Okay, passing through now is a Pendolino doing a service from Preston to London Euston, weirdly. (390 042). Okay, passing through now is another Aviro going to Holyhead from London Euston. (805 004). Okay, as that HST keeps doing tones. Oh, it's a meridian going from Crewe to London Euston, 222 002. Okay, passing through now is another DRS 66. This one's doing the Daventry to Wentloog. That previous 66 was doing one to Coatbridge. Damn. Anyways, 66 433 with a great tone. Carlisle power signal box. and same as that one. But no, there's nothing now but 2 green signals. Any second there should be something. Okay, passing through now is 390-001 B together, doing a service from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly, catching me off guard.
Your next direct Avanti West Coast.
Okay, passing through now is a pair of 805s going from Holyhead to London Euston. Any second, there it is. I stand corrected. It is 807-005, not a pair of 805s. Not the next pair of 805s are from Holyhead. This is from Birmingham. Okay, passing through now, while the wipers does its job, is going to be yet another Pendolino, for some reason passing on platform 1, doing a service to Liverpool Lime Street from London Euston. (390-107) with some very, very weird sounds there. That was... what in the world? As the points does its job again. Okay, passing through now is a DRS 88 going from Coatbridge. Okay, look who we have here. 390-002 doing a service to Manchester Piccadilly, and here is the 88 doing a service from Coatbridge to Daventry. Thank you for that two-tone. 88-006 Juno. Once again, full and standing. For God's sake. Okay, passing through now is a Pendolino going quite fast from, I don't know. (390-118). Oh gosh, I honestly don't know. I will guess that's a service from Liverpool? Liverpool, I think? I'm gonna double check on real-time trains. Okay, passing through now is a Pendolino going, dunno. 390-130 doing a service to Edinburgh from London Euston.
For your own safety, you are reminded to stand behind the yellow line.
Thank you. It's not like we needed that.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or destroyed or damaged by the security services.
Okay. I don't care, because I don't have any luggage. Anyways, that previous Pendolino was going strangely from Carlisle to London Euston. What? Ooh. Okay, passing on thank you for that toad. Oh god damn it, thank you for that toad anyway. I honestly don't have a clue on what the numbers are. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, I am over the bloody world today. Anyways, there's supposed to be something passing on platform 5, but I don't know. What? Anyways, that mysterious pendolino was... Okay. That, don't know what the number is, pendolino is going from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. Okay, passing through now is a pendolino doing a service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. Very slow. Oh, do you mean it? Oh my god. Oh my god. What in the world was that tone? Anyways, that was Alston Pendolino 390 104. Oh my god, that was so loud. Okay, over there is 390045 Birmingham Pride. Guess what? Doing a service to Birmingham. Okay, arriving in now is another... Oh my word, that sounds good. This is the late running van-to-work service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston with a lot of dirt and stuff. Anyways, it's 390 127. Wash and go time. Okay. Is that enough? I think it is. Anyways, 390 127 is about to depart to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. Anyways, another pendolino passing on platform 1. This one is doing a service to Liverpool Lime Street from London Euston. This one is 390 118. Wait, what? the point's doing its stuff. Okay, passing through now is 390 121 doing a service from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Thank you for that 5 tone from the driver. Opportunity is the nameplate, and that will be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you're doing well today. My next video will be, I actually don't know, but it is again probably on the West Coast Main Line. But from there, I shall see you soon. From me at Rugby, I'll see you soon. Goodbye.